Hello traders, the title of the video is how to improve Fibonacci crab pattern strategies like a pro. I'm on a monthly chart of Texas Instrument Incorporation, Epic TXN Tango S-Ray November. This is an American stock that belongs to the technology sector, semiconductors. All right. So we want to talk about how to improve Fibonacci crab pattern strategies like a pro. I will not be talking too much about the Fibonacci crab pattern, but I will be talking about how to improve Fibonacci crab pattern, strategies like a pro. If you want to know more about the Fibonacci crab pattern, you can YouTube search a video. I think the title was, a Fibonacci trader explains, Fibonacci crab pattern. All right, check out that video. Fibonacci trader explains Fibonacci crab pattern at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. So I'm going to go directly, assuming that you already know what is a Fibonacci crab pattern, and I will just show you how you can improve a Fibonacci crab pattern strategies like a pro. So for the Fibonacci crab pattern, usually we have a trending first, that's the first condition. Then we have a pullback that is not coming to the beginning of the trend. That pullback, we label it, X. This point here, we call it X. And this one here, we call it A. So that's XA. And the Fibonacci crab pattern, a portion of that Fibonacci pattern is, an ABCD chart pattern, right? ABCD chart pattern. So this is X, A, B, C, D. For the crab pattern, the possible reversal point is in a zone of 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of XA. Now, you have to understand what is taking place here, because I don't want the video to be too long. When we are talking about SA, is this pullback here, but we apply the Fibonacci extension upside down. What do I mean? Normally, if the price is going down and we apply Fibonacci extension, we'll expect the Fibonacci extension key levels to be in the direction of the price. But in this case, when we are talking about the Fibonacci extension applied to SA, in fact, we should say AX, but I don't want to say that. All right. When we are applying Fibonacci extension upside down, it means that we want the Fibonacci extension to be on the other side of the price move, not in the direction of this SA, but we want it to be on top. That's what I did here. You see this move down, instead of having the Fibonacci extension applied like this down, all right, apply it the upside down. So the Fibonacci crab pattern trending first, pull back, that we call XA, followed by A, followed by this move up, this move down, and then this move up, A, B, C, D. So on this chart here, we have a Fibonacci crab pattern. Can you see it? So we have the first condition, the trending first, price went up. You see, went up, yes or no? Okay, I will remove that drawing. So we're going to go very swiftly, right? Price went up, price pull back. So this pullback here, we call it XA. All right, so this is our SA here, this point here, that's what we call A. That's this point here, we call it X. So now this is B, C, color it also into green. This is C, and this is D. So if you look carefully on my chart, the 161.8%, that's the pink line here. So that's the 161.8% Fibonacci extension applied to FA upside down. That's what I'm talking about before, is here. So you have to understand that the Fibonacci this is a bearish Fibonacci crab pattern that is being completed at this point in time. So at that point in time, this is what we are talking about. A pattern, okay, is completed. So professional, a lot of Fibonacci pattern trader would like to sell the stock down because it's a bearish setup right here. So now you can see that the price did not go down, but if you look carefully, people were trying to sell it here. Can you see that? So how do you improve your Fibonacci crab pattern trading like a pro? This is the topic that we are discussing today. So all I will say to Fibonacci crab pattern traders that are quite aggressive sometimes, that are doing their own thing. But one of the reasons why we say that those Fibonacci traders are a little bit aggressive is because they are not human beings. Most of the trading computers, all right, the trading software, okay, the algorithmic trading methods are using those patterns, are recognizing those patterns, and then they try to sell. Those are computers. So the computers do not think too much if they don't set the algorithm, okay, correctly. They just say sell, all right. They say equal sell. The algorithm will sell, all right. The computers will sell. If you say price reaches 161.8% of SA equal sell, the computer will sell. That's why we say they are aggressive, but they are not human beings in fact, because those are trading algorithms that are trading. But in order to improve the Fibonacci crab pattern trading, all I would say to traders is that, all right. So we mentioned it before because you already know this. Valid breakouts usually occur where at 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. It's a breakout zone, whether it's upside down or in a normal direction. We talked about this before, that we can apply the Fibonacci extension upside down. All right? There's a video at dayprotrader.com. Check the playlist. Okay, we don't want to go over it again to annoy traders that already know this. All right. So this is a breakout point. So we draw a line and we will apply a top-down trading method here. That's all you need to do. So that pink line 70, you will say priority to bearish signal below $70 level, a priority to bullish signal above it. Because not only that, it's also 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. All right. So if the price, as he did here, if you see breaks above, what he did, breaks above nicely, and did what? The retest, yes or no? That's what we're talking about. Now, that resistance zone is what we call the negation of the signal. You were expecting it to go down, now it's telling you to buy. Don't ignore it. So this is the negation of the signal. Break above, retest. Now implement a bullish trading strategy to buy it up. Though, initially, you have your bearish crab pattern set up nicely for you according to the theory, everything aligned. Yes, it's a Fibonacci crab pattern, okay, reversal point, but it is what we call a possible reversal point. It may not reverse, it may continue to go out. There is a high probability that the price may change direction at that point D that we call delta zone. The Fibonacci crab pattern, bearish crab pattern is in place. You want to sell it down, but only if, all right, there is a signal to sell. Or if there was a signal to sell and you sell it, and the signal fails, you must close the trade. And you want to trade it carefully because sometimes the price will go up. The next thing, in order to improve your Fibonacci crab pattern strategy like a pro, so the first thing we need to do, apply top-down trading method, draw a line. That's the first thing you need to do. The second thing that you need to understand is that you need to understand that you are not alone talking about strategy, improving a strategy. Your trading strategy is your trading strategy. Other traders have their own trading strategy that they are applying. So if you are using your own strategy alone and you are ignoring other traders' strategy, well, that's not the right way forward. Okay? So another trader you see here, so after they try to sell it here, blah, 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 other trader may say this is a pullback. Well, they say pullback. So now they're going to whip out, so to speak, the magnitude of this price move, and they will say, all right, bullish move, price pull back, then they're going to set their target held at this top. So they will be watching what? The midpoint target, which is a little bit above, you see here. Alright? Are you getting it? So if you have been following us at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, you will know what I'm doing here. Because price was bullish first, alright, we can use the magnitude of that bullish move and we project it to the upside here. And then the midpoint target is somewhere where the price is now. Are you getting it now? Though your Fibonacci crab pattern is telling you here to sell, a pattern is completed. Yes, the pattern is completed. We acknowledge that. To improve our Fibonacci crab pattern trading method, we must use, that's why we use the word like a pro, a top-down trading method to trade it instead of trying to force it down. The expectation may not take place as it was here. So people, but it did, you see, the price went down a bit here, see, all this kind of thing. It went down a bit, so people were trying to sell here. Not only that, the Fibonacci, some traders that were trading the Fibonacci crab pattern bit by bit. What do I mean by that? A portion by portion, we can trade it a bit by bit, because we see here, you see the A, B, all right? You see A, B, C. People usually buy here, though they will try to sell here, they will buy here, and the price going up, they are watching either Fibonacci pattern key levels along. Now it reaches 161.8% level. Those traders will be prepared to take some profit. So this is a kind of profit taking here. Plus, other traders will try to also sell. So one group of traders are closing their swing trade or position trade. Another group is also joining them, trying to sell. But, as I was telling you now, because they failed to push it down more, all right, it creates a pullback, which is an invitation to buy. And now people are now setting another bullish target up. All right. So consider the trading strategy of others, implement a top-down trading method, understand that the zone of 161.8% Fibonacci extension level, whether normal or upside down, is a breakout zone. Just remember that. So if you are trading Fibonacci crab pattern and you forget that the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level is a breakout zone, you are in for some surprises, as some traders see it here, because they were trying to sell here and now the price ran away going up. And they wonder, where is he going? Where is he going? We have Fibonacci crab pattern. Are you blind or what? Why people are not selling? All right. So I hope you find this video also useful. Another thing I can say quickly, because we don't want the video to be too long, there are also other traders that are using area wave. They are counting waves. All right. And now they may count wave, and we have something that we call the wave extensions. So especially if we have the fifth wave may be extended. Right? Be extended. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Continuation, price extending, going up more. You say, no, it's a resistance here, it must come down. No, it's not going down. It's continuing to go up. That's what we call the extension, the wave extension. You just pull back a bit, go up, pull back a bit, continue to go up. All right? So if you have any question or suggestion, please feel free to put in the comment section. I always read the comment, and in due course, I'll record another video to answer your specific question. If you think that this video has been useful to you, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another useless video, alright, please let us know by giving us the thumb down. If you think that this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how to improve Fibonacci crab pattern strategies like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.